We have just found this puppy on the side of the road in Florida. This baby, I think, has been abandoned. How can someone dump such a precious little baby on the road?
Who knows when the last time was you had a drink of water?
We have been manifesting this since our first RV trip in the US. She is the cutest little thing you have ever seen in your life.
Here she comes. Whoa.
Big girl has just had her very first shower.
Welcome to the family, girl.
I don't know, I don't have any words right now. My dream has just come true, but at the same time it's so bittersweet. We have just found this puppy on the side of the road in Florida. Look at this baby.
You okay, girl?
James was driving on a main road and then he spotted this doggy moving like on this road, and it was just going up and down here by itself. And it took about...
saw it as it flashed. Like, we were driving quite fast, like 50 miles an hour, went past this quiet road, this road we're on now, and I just saw a little dog, just like a tiny little dog all by itself, looking like it was looking for help, basically. And I was like, no way. So we turned around. Shana wasn't impressed. I turned off the music. I was like, we've got to go back.
Yeah.
And now look, we've done a good thing.
This baby, I think, has been abandoned. And she is the cutest. Like, she took about 10 minutes to come over because she was so nervous. And then she weed herself on the road, and she let us come in. She let us bring her in here now. And she's in the RV, just chilling. We fed her some chicken.
She's going to live with us. She's going to be our new dog.
But we don't know what to do. We need to go see if...
Someone's going to look after her until we move to America, and then she's going to be ours forever.
Yeah.
This is going to be our story.
Yeah.
I'm almost crying because this is true.
I already did cry. I was crying because how can someone dump such a precious little baby on the road? Like, she is beautiful.
Good boy. Good boy. Come on.
Come on. Are you okay? Come on.
Good boy. Hello. Hello.
Are you okay? Come here.
Come here.
Come here.
Come on.
Come here.
You good boy.
Come on.
Good boy.
Come here. Come on.
Come on.
Come here.
Come here.
Are you a good boy?
We've just found this abandoned dog on this road.
Come here.
In Florida. Come on. And he came from all the way over there, and he's been so brave. We don't know if it's a boy or girl. He's wagging his tail.
I spotted this boy out of the corner of my eye. He turned around the RV. You okay?
Come on.
He came from so far away, but he's coming over. He's being brave.
Good boy or girl. Are you a boy or girl?
Are you a girl or a boy?
Hi, baby. Hi.
Are you okay?
You good boy.
Come here.
Come here.
Who left you? Hi. We just saw her or him out of the corner of our eye. I turned around the RV. We're just off that main road over there. And she came from all the way over there in the distance. Are you okay? Are you okay?
This is the cutest puppy. You're so cute.
Are you coming with us now?
Are you coming with us?
You're going to have to be our new friend, aren't you? Yeah.
Oh, you sweet, sweet baby. Guys, what do we do in this situation? We obviously need to go get her checked to see if she has an owner first.
That's a good girl.
Are you excited?
That's a good girl.
Are you coming with us?
That's a good girl.
Yeah, you look how pretty she is. Yeah.
Yeah, you're a good
You
girl.
good girl.
You're a good girl. Welcome to the family, girl. We got some water for you.
Get some water. It's got a bit of chicken in there, a bit of flavour for you.
Nice. Who knows when the last time was you had a drink of water?
Good girl.
Good girl. Good girl. Yeah.
No, you can see the fleas on her. See it up there.
Yeah.
I think that's a flea, I don't know.
Alright, well, yeah.
Just keep my hair away from her.
Yeah.
Good girl. Was that nice? Yeah, she's covered in fleas. Yeah, she's covered in fleas.
Okay, so
she's definitely been abandoned.
Okay, well, we need to give her a really good clean then. We'll get flea stuff. We'll do it. We'll sort her out.
Right. How are we gonna travel? She's gonna have to.
She's gonna have to sit down between your legs.
Okay, update guys, it's been about 30 minutes since we picked up the beautiful puppy. We have just popped in to a animal hospital to see if she has a microchip, to see if she has an owner. She doesn't have an owner.
She has no microchip. She's our baby. She's our baby. Look at her right now.
So this little baby right here,
she's our baby now.
She's our problem now.
We just paid for her. We just paid for a pill that she's taken that will get rid of all the fleas. All the fleas will drop off of her. And
in 30 minutes, hopefully, right?
Yeah, in 30 minutes. And we got some dog food.
Yeah, we've just
got
fed her some food.
and now we're going to go and get her a collar. And we're going to give her a bath. And we basically got a new member of the wolf pack.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, what dog do you think she is? No, but what should we name her? This is our dream.
This is our actual dream.
We have been manifesting this since our first RV trip in the US back in March.
We knew that it happened a lot in America, that people dumped animals out of cars. And, well, like thankfully someone did, but not thankfully, you know? Like, it's fate. We've just found ourselves like the most beautiful dog. She's so beautiful and she loves us and we love her, and it's just fate. Fate is a real thing. It's crazy. Wait, little lady.
You can't drive anywhere if you were just going to stand there.
Excuse me.
Come here.
Come back here. Come here. Come here.
Come on. Come on.
Wait.
Come on. Come here.
This way.
Come here. You're stuck now, aren't you?
Come on.
Silly girl.
I'll do it.
You can't drive like that, John. Without warning, she just jumped up to sit on James's lap whilst he was driving.
No warning, just leaped up. She's such.
She is the cutest little thing you have ever seen in your life. We've got a new little princess. So you can see as well, all the fleas are coming off on this beautiful princess.
We are currently at the RV site. It's going to be our first night with our new baby. She's in the shower. We are cleaning her.
Shauna's cleaning her.
Shauna's cleaning her. She looks so cute, guys. Oh! Okay.
Come on.
Here she comes. Whoa! First splashies. Uh-oh, I hope you don't ruin the DJI like that. Good girl, you had your first wash with us. How was that? Good. Yeah, good job. Good job.
Big girl has just had her very first shower. She did so well, and now she's getting dried. And she did so well for staying so calm.
She did so well.
We have an update about the puppy, guys. We took her to the vet, checked her over for a chip. She did not have a chip, which means she's very likely to have been abandoned because she was covered in fleas. And we got her an anti-flea tablet from the vet, and the fleas started dropping off of her.
So many of them.
Like thousands.
So many
hundreds,
fleas.
Yeah.
And she's coming out of her shell, guys. She's really coming out of her shell now. She got the zoomies. We took her for a shower, as you saw.
Yeah. So many people were telling us to get this, which is Dawn Ultra. It's dishwasher liquid, basically, I think, or dish liquid. Apparently, it helps get rid of fleas as well. So we gave her her first shower, which she was absolutely fine. She was a bit nervous, but she just kind of curled up and let me wash her, which was amazing. And now she's just looking for more food. She's really, really hungry, but I don't want to feed her too much in case it is too much for her tummy, you know, if she hasn't eaten for a while. But look,
she's so beautiful.
She is the most gorgeous princess you'd ever seen in your life.
And now we're thinking of a name, guys.
Yeah.
She looks like a tiger.
Yeah.
And we found her in Perry, Florida. So yeah, we don't know, we're asking all of our supporters, all of our fans.
What do you guys think we should call her? What does she look like? Bearing in mind we found her in Perry, Florida, and she looks like a tiger.
What are we going to name you, beautiful girl? What are we going to name you? You're so precious. It's got to be the perfect name.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on. Hi, baby. Good morning. How you doing? Hi, my little baby. You're a good girl, aren't you? Yes, you are. Wait until you see this food that we are about to munch on. in Lakeland, Florida. This is the Joinery, and the food here is insane. It's basically like a food hall with so many different cuisines in here.
7 different cuisines, I think.
Barbecue, pizza, Japanese style things, ice cream. What else? There's so much more, but let me show you what we've got so far. We've got the bayo buns, we've got the quesadilla, the tacos, the honey chicken, the chips. We've got little burgers here. This looks insane.
Okay, so this is Blue Dog Crab Barbecue. We got ribs, pulled pork, the best brisket you'll ever have, potato salad, greens, fries, and a brisket burger.
Yum.
This is from Sabu Ramen. We've got honey chicken buns, menchikatsu buns, pork belly buns, chicken karage. Over here from Zuku Sushi, we have Zuku dumplings. It's like a really good dumpling.
Nice.
We've got a volcano roll, and we've got a sushi burrito, the Gulf.
Wow.
Over here from Super Duper Spot, we've got the fried chicken sandwich, the burger. We've got fries from them. From Abba Pizzeria, we've got the Bianca, and we've got a barbecue chicken pizza.
This looks insane. All looks so good.
That is crazy.
Yeah.
Wait, where do we start? We have so much food here. So much food. There is pretty much every cuisine you can think of. There's Asian, Japanese, Mexican, barbecue, pizza, burgers, ice cream. So many cuisines here.
Overwhelmed by the amount of food we've got.
And the food quality is so good.
What's your favourite? Fucking did a bit of food go down your throat. Nice.
No, I swallowed my spit.
Oh, she swallowed her own spit. How lovely.
My favourite so far is the Asian, so the bao bun and the honey chicken. So good. And this place, apparently the most second visited place in Lakeland from non-residents.
Yeah. That was good. That was right.
Yeah, thank you. Puppy update. I wasn't going to do this because I'm getting emotional. There's no bad news, by the way, all good news. We had to leave her in the vet overnight to everything done for her, basically. The vets are looking after her well, and we're just going to see her today, and it's making me so emotional. Like, I feel like she's my little baby, and I'm just so excited to see her, so let's go see our little baby. I'm really trying to hold it together right now. I'm getting so emotional. Woo! Let's go.
There she is. There she is.
Hi, baby girl.
There she is.
Doing?
Ah.
How are you doing, baby?
It's good to see you. It's good to see you. We missed you so much.
We missed you so much.
Oh.
I love you.
So our little baby's doing well. She's getting real curious about things. She's sniffing around, having a great time. She's loved here at the vets. Everyone loves her. She's just living her best life right now, and she doesn't know how good life's about to get.
Do is stay still.
It's baby girl's first trip to Walmart. She's ready to go. She's already just scared herself on the door, didn't she?
She's an investigator, man. She likes to investigate.
Here we go. Her walking has severely improved. Like, she actually trots now and sometimes canters. But she used to be so timid even coming outside when we took her for a walk. Like, her tail was in between her legs. She sometimes still gets a bit scared, but she's 1,000 times better, isn't she?
She's much better.
She's so much more confident now. It's crazy. You good girl. You good girl.
Come on, bitch.
Here we go. Moment of truth. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You a good girl? Are you a good girl? She's getting a bit nervous now, but she's fine. You good girl, baby? You good girl? Yeah, baby. She has been such a good girl, and everyone loves her. Hasn't everyone stopped and said how amazing she
Everybody
is?
has stopped.
And they can't believe that she's a street dog, that we found her on the street a few days ago. Everyone loves her.
Everybody wants to say hello. Good girl. She loves the attention. She loves it. She's a good social. Yeah. She's taken her sweet time to get everywhere, doesn't she?
Hey, baby. You being a good girl? Yeah.
Hi, baby.
Good girl.
Hi YouTube, we are currently in our friend's Airbnb recharging for a few days. Really coming into her own light and really coming out of her shell. And it is a very, very fun to watch and see and play with her. Ready?
Ready? Ready? Sit. Good girl. Go get it. Go get it. And then she does this thing, she does that, and it's so funny.
And again, do it again.
And I teach her to let. Good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl, ready? Go. Go. Yay! Good girl. She is so funny.
She loves it. Is that nice?
Are you a good girl?
Are you enjoying chewing on my sock?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you a good girl? You a good girl? Harry.
We have a crazy dog. Uh-oh.
You weren't crazy like this when we found you on the street.
No, you're really acting up now, aren't you, girl? Uh-oh. What are you doing? No, we don't chew sofas. No. And we don't chew hands. No. Get the toy. Get the toy.
Get a toy.
Where is it? Uh-oh. No. Uh-oh. We have our hands full of this one, boy.
We really do.
Oh, goodness.
What?
Stop it! No. Guys, we need puppy training right now.
This is what our room has lack of walks.
Yeah.
No. We're not doing that anymore. We're not doing that anymore.
Good.
This is beautiful. Look at this, guys.